Hi, hello, have a nice day. Really, this is a mini vlog. This is how I spent my last vacation with my crazy friends. We went to a beautiful place called V Oil. It is situated when passing the Akyantara Road. There are a lot of beautiful waterfalls and streams while traveling. You can enjoy them. It was a sudden bike ride. We just arranged the ride quickly and went there. Really, we wanted to find a place to have a bathe. Teppukulama is the best place I have ever visited so far. You can enjoy the nature to the fullest. Really, I want to tell you something. I have done this video to make you aware of the beauty of this place, and also I want to have a very kind and humble request to make. You should visit this place, but please minimize the use of polythene, plastic, and do bring them back. Please don't burn them in that place. Don't pick the flowers and destroy the beautiful plants. Please respect the wildlife and don't disturb them anywhere. Go and visit and enjoy that beauty, but please do not do anything that harms the Mother Nature. Thank you and have a nice day. Enjoy the video.